Hello friends, in this video I will teach you that how to instantly create a new blank document in Google Docs. First of all, let me show you like how usually you do this thing without a single click. Like you go to docs.google.com, first you type this, then you click on the start a new document blank, then you can start this. But the account you are logging from, which account, just make sure there should be Gmail, Google account should open in your Google Chrome, and just type here doc.new. So when you type doc.new, see, I didn't first of all I didn't type docs.google.com, then I didn't click on create a new blank document, that plus icon. Just I typed doc.new and the Google Docs has created a new blank document for me where I can start typing, and I can start my document here. Okay, so this is the easiest method to start instantly, to create instantly a new blank document in Google Docs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.